We'll go ahead and balloon coming up here first.
I saw that. That's on camera. What is up, Airsofters? I have another gameplay video for you. Today I am joined by my dad, and he is also running cameras. This is a quick team deathmatch on Lego, and each player gets one respawn. Enjoy.
Ooh, that was close. Did you get him?
Nope.
Got the Ghostbuster. There's like another one right back in the same spot. To your left, Alex, behind the oranges.
Hey.
Just watch out. I know you can't see an orange.
Yep. Got him.
Get him.
I think you got him.
Copy that. Oh, there you go. Here goes up the middle, right behind, right, Alex, right in front of you. Two up to your right, on your right. We're moving in by Alex. You got him, Alex, got him.
I think there's one more back there.
Where's he at? I see him. I see him.
There's one more at my 12.
I see him. I saw him. He dipped out. Is there any more? If not, I'll rush him.
There might be some more at the left.
Copy. Hit. Hit.
Thanks for watching. We did end up winning this round. Don't forget to subscribe. See you at the next video.